The Lens MCP Server enables your AI assistants to connect to all the clusters you have in your Lens Kubernetes IDE account. This enables you to manage your Kubernetes clusters directly from your AI assistants. Let's see how we can configure it. First, you'll need to go to Settings, and in Settings, ensure that you have the MCP option enabled and also that you have the Lens CLI command in the path. Then, depending on the AI assistant that you use, you will need to add the Lens MCP Server under the MCP Servers option with the command Lens and the arg MCP Server. I'm using Cloud Desktop config for this one, but you can use whatever AI assistant you'd like. In some cases, after you make the MCP Server configuration, you also might need to restart your AI assistant. Now I'm in Cloud Desktop and I'll ask it to actually show me all the capabilities the Lens MCP Server has. So you can see it can do health checks, listing clusters, connecting different clusters, disconnecting from them, use kubectl commands but only read-only ones, and also it can help you with a lot of Prometheus observability commands as well. Perfect. Now that we understand what it can do, let's actually see all the clusters we have access to. You can also see that we have AWS EKS and Azure clusters, and these are not in my kubeconfig, but rather they are leveraging the existing integrations that I've taken advantage of from Lens to connect to all my EKS clusters in my AWS account and all my Azure AKS clusters in my Azure account. You can connect to how many clusters you want, having the option to filter them how you'd like. This makes troubleshooting more intentional and fast, as you can ask the AI assistant questions about multiple clusters at the same time based on their type. You can ask it, for example, to show you all the pods you have in the connected Kubernetes clusters and their health. You will then see a report about everything that is in all the clusters that you have connected. If you have issues, the AI assistant will identify them. It will also ask you to dig into these issues in order to solve them. You can also ask it for insights on how to improve your security posture, reduce costs, and anything that you can think of that you would ask from a Kubernetes engineer. And that's Lens MCP Server in a nutshell.